Hello and welcome back to Ashley Life. In today's class, I'm going to show you something that I think we could all probably do just a little bit more. I'm going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes. So the first thing I do is I kind of get lukewarm water going. So when it comes to washing brushes, I try to do it once a week, but honestly sometimes that doesn't happen. So at least if I can get in, 2 times a month, that's good for me. And these are my own personal brushes. I have other brushes I use for clients and I wash those after every time. But these are my own brushes. Today though, we are going to wash my brushes and I'm going to show you what I do. Pretty freaking easy and not expensive. You probably already have what you need at your house right now, so it's not going to cost you any extra money to wash your brushes. And then I'm going to get the brush a little bit wet. And the reason it won't cost you any extra money is because I literally use my Dove soap. And then I'm going to add the soap. This is my body wash. I keep it in the shower. I take it out when I need to wash my brushes, just like I did right now. And it costs nothing more because I already have this on hand. So whatever you use for your body wash, if it's like a liquid form like this, I'm sure that'll work too. And then you're just going to work the soap into the bristles. And the reason that I use this is because I already know that I'm not allergic to it. I wash myself with it every single day and I'm not allergic to it. I have super sensitive skin, so I'm concerned all the time to buy anything new with a scent in it because I'm afraid of what it's going to do, and especially if it's going into my brushes that touch my face. Get all the way down in there. Oh my gosh, the last place I want a rash or something is on my face. Does that make sense? So I stick with what I know and then start to rinse. You can also use your shampoo. I've done that before too. Either one works. I use both. I use my body wash more often though, but I feel like shampoo, hair, and bristles, that kind of goes together. But choose whatever you want, body wash or your shampoo. And you just wait for the water to run clear, and that's how you know your brush is clean. If you still feel like your brush isn't clean, you can do a second round. Then I like to squeeze out the water, trying to get it as dry as it can be. And then I brush all the bristles flat and together, and I lay it down to let it dry. Now let's do the rest. It's almost like I'm giving the brushes a massage. I just use my fingers to work all the powder and makeup out of the brush. So I do also want to show you how using shampoo works as well. So I just have the Costco brand shampoo, nothing fancy, little squeeze pump right here, and I will show you on my eyeshadow brushes how it works just as good. And if you want to get fancy, you can use the bottom of your sink to kind of just like work out the powder and all the makeup from the brush. That works as well. You can see how much lighter it's gotten since I've done this. Look at that. No more color even coming out. Squeezing out all the water. Last brush. Using the shampoo. You can tell this brush is for my crease because of all the dark color. And now I have clean, fresh brushes. I will just lay these down on top of a paper towel to dry them out. And by morning, they'll be dry and good to use again. So with that in mind, it is a good idea to make sure you already have your makeup done before you wash your brushes. They also make these rubber things that you can stick in your sink and you can, dust your brushes on and help clean them. I mean, I got this at TJ Maxx. I've used it like once or twice, but it's really not that necessary. But hey, if you want it, get it. But honestly, it's not necessary. I think this was probably like $5 or $6. And it kind of just attaches to your sink. If you want to be fancy and go all out, go ahead and get one of these. But honestly, I just showed you it works without this. So do what you will. Just wanted to show you your options. And then just one quick thing I want to mention is that when I do go to lay the brushes out to dry, after all the brushes are washed, I do rub it against a paper towel just like this, just to get excess water out, and then I lay them out to dry. As always, I do hope this class was helpful for you and you learned a thing or two. Hey, maybe you learned that you don't have to buy your brushes their own shampoo. So if you did find it helpful, please do make sure to like and share so other people can like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class.